the trash. Getting your cash like I'm fast, like I'm girl, you wanna act like it is. Security codes on everything, on vibrate, so your phone don't ever ring. And another one he don't know about. Wish we could switch up the roles, and I could be there, tell you I love you, but when you call, I never get back. Would you ask them questions like me, like where you be? As I'm out 4 in the morning, on a corner rolling, doing my own thing. Had a thing on the side, made you cry, but the rules change up on what they still apply. If I made you like a toy, sometimes I wish I could act like a boy.
What's up, my baddies? I feel like I have not talked to you guys in forever. Even though it's only been like a week, I really miss my beauties. OMG. So the wig review I'm telling you guys about today, it is from Kalyss Wig. And like I said, y'all, I'm gonna make sure I have everything listed below for you guys. Just make sure you check the description box, because that's where everything will be at. This is a double lace front wig, y'all. It comes with 3 combs on the inside and a adjustable strap. I really love the adjustable strap. It made my head feel so secure without me having to lay my lace down. The cap size is around 21.5 to 22 inches. And overall, the wig itself is 36 inches long. Y'all, I am 5'1", so the wig went past my butt, okay? It's a very long, but it's not heavy. Like, it's not heavy. It didn't weigh my head down. It is very full. So I feel like this is a good wig, you know what I'm saying? If you want to go run errands, or if you want to pop out or whatever. I have not worn braids none this year. But y'all, let me tell y'all, when I finished the wig, I went by my friends, and just like whenever I got out the car, people really was complimenting me. I'm like, this is a wig. Like, they could not believe it, okay? Now, I will say is you want to make sure when you're doing, since it is a double lace front, you want to make sure that you're melting that wig, okay? Because with it being a double lace front, it's a little bit harder to blend in, and it requires a little bit more work, okay? So you might need to use the right makeup products, and also making sure you're using the right maybe tint and stuff like that, just to make sure that you could get it blended flawlessly, okay? But overall, I really did love the wig. I haven't had any issues with it.
go to breakfast.
Shayo. Shayo.
You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know
Alright y'all, so this is the wig. I really like it. I don't have no complaints. I didn't even have to secure it or nothing. Like, it's already secured. I really like how it had the band on the inside. It's really full, y'all. Really full. And yeah, I have no complaints. I'm feeling it. I'm not gonna keep it up long, but I'm definitely feeling it. This is a quick, easy look. If you need to go to the store, make any errands, it literally took like 5 minutes to put this on. So if you guys are interested in purchasing, just go ahead and check the description box. That's where I have everything listed. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Go ahead, comment below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys Wednesday.